How to track refunds on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issue to track your refunds on Airbnb? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To track your refunds on Airbnb application, first of all, open app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Tap on profile icon. After you click on profile icon, just simply head over to the account settings. After you click on account settings, tap on payments. After you click on payments, you can see this option for your payments. Tap on it. At this section, you will be able to track your payments and refunds. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to track your refund on Airbnb application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.